Hey, I'm Brian, lead pastor here at Emmanuel. One of the terrible facts of life is that we all fail. It's happened to me, it's happened to you, but one of the things we want you to know is that failure is something that can either define you or refine you. In this upcoming series, we're going to be starting on September 9th, called New Leaf. We're going to be looking at the fact that failure really in God's agenda is something that He can use to refine us, not something that just has to define us. We're going to be looking into the lives of numerous biblical people and seeing how God took their lives, where they were, their failure, their sin, their brokenness, and used those things to refine them into what He desired for them to be. And what we want you to know is that the same thing that He did in their lives is the same thing that He desires to do in your life. So if you would join us September 9th, if you know somebody who's in a season where they need a fresh start, they need to turn over a new leaf, they need a new beginning, invite them to this series as we together come together and turn over a new leaf.